Top 25 Banking Interview Questions and Answers. Welcome to our channel. If you're preparing for a banking job interview, this video is your complete guide. Whether you're applying for a teller, officer, or analyst role, these top 25 banking interview questions and answers will help you feel confident and job ready. We'll cover practical examples, technical points, and the soft skills banks love. So grab a notebook, stay focused till the end, and let's boost your chances of landing that dream banking job. 1. Tell me about yourself. This is your opportunity to make a strong first impression. Keep your answer professional and relevant to the banking industry. Start with your educational background, then move to your work experience or skills related to finance, customer service, and teamwork. For example, you can say, I hold a degree in commerce and have 2 years of experience handling customer accounts. I'm passionate about financial management and providing excellent customer service. End with what excites you about the role and the specific bank. Employers love confidence, clarity, and enthusiasm. Avoid personal or irrelevant details. 2. Why do you want to work in the banking sector? Focus on stability, growth, and your passion for finance. You can say, I've always been interested in finance and economics, and the banking sector allows me to apply these interests in a professional environment. It's an industry that values accuracy, trust, and customer satisfaction, qualities I strongly believe in. Mention that banking offers continuous learning, career development, and the chance to help people achieve their financial goals. Avoid saying you just want a secure job. Instead, express long-term interest in contributing to the institution's success. 3. What do you know about our bank? Before any interview, research the organization. Learn about its history, values, services, and recent achievements. A good answer might be, your bank is known for innovation in digital banking and excellent customer service. I'm impressed by your commitment to financial inclusion and sustainable growth. Mention specific awards, community work, or digital initiatives. This shows genuine interest. Interviewers notice when candidates have done their homework. Avoid giving vague answers like, you're a good bank. Show insight and awareness instead. 4. What are the main functions of a bank? Explain briefly but clearly. A bank's key functions include accepting deposits, providing loans, enabling fund transfers, issuing credit, debit cards, and offering investment services. It also plays a vital role in money circulation, foreign exchange, and safeguarding customer assets. You could add, banks act as financial intermediaries, connecting savers with borrowers, which supports economic stability and development. Keeping your tone educational and confident will demonstrate your understanding of core banking operations. Avoid using jargon unless you can explain it simply. 5. How would you handle a difficult customer? Employers want to see patience and professionalism. You might say, I would remain calm, listen actively, and let the customer express their concerns without interruption. Once I understand the issue, I'd clarify the bank's policy and provide possible solutions. Show empathy while maintaining boundaries. If the customer is upset, acknowledge their frustration. I understand how this situation must feel. Let's see how I can help. Avoid defensive language or blaming. Customer service skills are vital in banking. Your composure reflects your professionalism. 6. What are the different types of bank accounts? Demonstrate your knowledge. Common types include savings accounts, current or checking accounts, fixed deposits, recurring deposits, and salary accounts. Briefly explain each. Savings accounts earn interest and encourage saving. Current accounts are for frequent transactions. Fixed deposits offer higher interest for locked-in periods. Add that modern banks also provide digital or specialized accounts for businesses and students. Keep it simple but confident. This question often tests basic financial literacy. Avoid mixing up account types or giving incomplete answers. 7. What is the difference between a debit card and a credit card? A debit card allows you to spend money directly from your bank account. It's your own money. A credit card, on the other hand, lets you borrow money up to a certain limit, which must be repaid later, usually with interest. You can say, debit cards are ideal for managing daily expenses, while credit cards help build credit history and offer rewards if used responsibly. Add that banks encourage responsible credit use. This shows your understanding of financial behavior and risk awareness. 8. How do you ensure accuracy when handling financial transactions? Accuracy is crucial in banking. You can answer, I double-check all entries, confirm amounts with supporting documents, and maintain a checklist for verification. I also use software tools responsibly to avoid manual errors. Emphasize that you follow standard operating procedures and reconcile records at the end of each day. Mention your attention to detail and responsibility toward customer trust. Employers look for people who can balance speed with precision. Avoid saying you rarely make mistakes, focus instead on your process for avoiding and correcting them. 9. Describe a time when you provided excellent customer service. Use the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. For example, a customer once visited the branch upset about a delayed transaction. I listened carefully, verified their account, and coordinated with our operations team to resolve the issue within an hour. The customer appreciated the quick response and wrote a positive feedback note. Highlight communication, patience, and teamwork. Banks prioritize customer experience. Demonstrating this skill gives you a strong edge. Avoid generic answers like, I always help customers, be specific. 10. What does KYC mean and why is it important? KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It's a process banks use to verify the identity of clients before opening accounts or processing major transactions. This helps prevent fraud, money laundering, and terrorist financing. You can say, KYC ensures that banks deal with legitimate clients and maintain financial transparency. Mention key KYC documents such as ID cards, proof of address, and recent photographs. Showing awareness of compliance regulations portrays you as a responsible and trustworthy candidate, vital traits in modern banking. 11. What are your strengths as a banking professional? Focus on strengths relevant to the role: accuracy, communication, teamwork, and integrity. You can say, I'm detail-oriented and committed to maintaining accuracy in financial records. I also have strong interpersonal skills, which help me build trust with customers. Emphasize your problem-solving approach and adaptability in fast-paced environments. Back your claims with examples. Avoid listing too many strengths or ones unrelated to banking. Recruiters prefer specific qualities that show you'll be dependable and aligned with the institution's values. 12. What are your weaknesses? Choose a minor weakness and explain how you're improving. For example, earlier, I struggled with multitasking during busy hours, but I've learned to prioritize effectively using task lists and digital tools. This shows self-awareness and growth. Avoid saying you're a perfectionist or that you have no weaknesses; those sound insincere. Employers appreciate honesty paired with initiative. End on a positive note. I now see every challenge as an opportunity to strengthen my efficiency and deliver better service. 13. How do you stay updated with banking trends and regulations? Demonstrate curiosity and learning attitude. You can say, I regularly read financial news from sources like Bloomberg, the Economic Times, and the central bank's website. I also follow online banking forums and take short courses on digital banking and compliance. Mention that staying informed helps you serve customers better and maintain accuracy in a changing financial environment. This reflects your commitment to continuous learning, something banks value highly. Avoid generic statements like, I watch the news; be specific and proactive. 14. What is the difference between nationalized, private, and cooperative banks? Nationalized banks are owned by the government, private banks are owned by private shareholders, and cooperative banks are owned and managed by members or communities. You could say, nationalized banks focus on public service and rural outreach, private banks emphasize efficiency and technology, while cooperative banks support local financial needs. Understanding these distinctions shows you're aware of the broader structure of the banking system. Avoid memorizing definitions; instead, explain with confidence and practical understanding. 15. What is the role of technology in modern banking? Highlight how technology has transformed banking. Say, technology improves efficiency, security, and customer convenience. Online banking, ATMs, mobile apps, and digital payments have made transactions faster and safer. Mention innovations like AI-based customer support, cybersecurity measures, and digital wallets. Stress that you're comfortable adapting to new systems. Employers want tech-aware candidates. Conclude with, I believe technology allows banks to serve more people while reducing operational costs, and I'm excited to be part of this evolution. 16. How do banks generate profit? Banks earn profit through interest margins, service fees, and investments. You can explain, banks lend money at higher interest rates than they pay on deposits. The difference, called the net interest margin, is a key income source. They also charge fees for services like loans, credit cards, and fund transfers, and earn from investments in bonds and securities. Keep your tone explanatory but conversational. Avoid overly technical answers unless asked. Clarity is more impressive than complexity in interviews. 17. How would you handle confidential information? Confidentiality is vital in banking. Say, I understand the importance of protecting customer data and bank records. I follow all privacy policies, limit information sharing to authorized personnel, and ensure documents are securely stored. Add that you never discuss sensitive information outside work or on unsecured channels. Banks assess trustworthiness; your commitment to ethics and discretion will stand out. Avoid vague claims; show clear awareness of data protection responsibilities and legal consequences. 18. What motivates you to work in a bank? Focus on meaningful motivation, not just money. You can say, I'm motivated by the chance to help people achieve their financial goals, from saving for education to building businesses. I enjoy problem solving, teamwork, and learning about financial systems. Mention that you find satisfaction in customer trust and organizational growth. Employers appreciate candidates with intrinsic motivation, those who see banking as a service, not just a job. Keep it genuine and purpose-driven. 19. How do you prioritize your tasks in a busy environment? Demonstrate organization and time management. Say, I start my day by listing tasks according to urgency and importance. I handle critical customer requests first, then routine administrative work. I use digital tools to track progress and ensure deadlines are met. Emphasize flexibility, sometimes priorities shift, and you can adapt quickly. End with. This structured approach helps maintain accuracy without sacrificing customer satisfaction. Interviewers want efficiency and calm under pressure. 20. What is the difference between a check and a demand draft? A check is issued by an account holder and may bounce if there are insufficient funds. A demand draft, DD, however, is prepaid. The amount is already taken from the issuer's account when it's made, ensuring guaranteed payment. You can say, while checks rely on the drawer's balance, ADD is more secure and used for large or official transactions. Understanding these differences shows strong basic banking knowledge. Avoid confusing this with electronic transfers. Keep the answer concise and factual. 21. What steps would you take to prevent fraud? Say, I would follow strict verification procedures, cross-check documents, monitor unusual transactions, and maintain strong data security. Add that you'd stay updated with anti-fraud training and immediately report suspicious activities. You could mention that customer education is also key, guiding them about phishing or scam calls. Fraud prevention shows your awareness of real-world banking challenges. Banks want staff who are alert, ethical, and proactive. Avoid saying you trust people easily. Highlight vigilance and accountability. 22. What qualities should a successful banker have? Mention qualities such as integrity, accuracy, patience, problem-solving, and customer focus. You can say, a successful banker must be trustworthy, analytical, and good at communication. They should handle pressure calmly and maintain professionalism in all situations. Add that emotional intelligence helps in understanding client needs, and adaptability is crucial in a rapidly changing industry. Conclude with, these traits not only build trust but also ensure long-term customer relationships. Avoid overgeneralizing, keep your tone confident and specific. 23. How would you sell a financial product to a reluctant customer? Banks look for persuasive yet ethical communicators. You can say, I'd first understand the customer's needs and goals. Then, I'd explain how the product, like a savings plan or credit card, can genuinely benefit them. I'd use clear language and examples, avoiding pressure tactics. Mention that trust is built through transparency. End with, if the product truly fits their situation, I guide them patiently to make an informed decision. This shows customer-centric thinking, not just sales ambition. 24. How do you handle pressure or tight deadlines? Say, I stay calm and focused by breaking big tasks into smaller steps. I prioritize work, avoid distractions, and maintain communication with my team. Mention that in banking, accuracy is critical even under stress, so you never rush carelessly. You can share a quick example. During month-end reconciliations, I managed to meet deadlines by organizing workflow and coordinating with my colleagues. This demonstrates maturity and teamwork. Avoid saying, I thrive under pressure, without examples. 25. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Show ambition with realism. Say, in 5 years, I see myself growing within the bank, taking on greater responsibilities in customer relationship management or operations. I aim to enhance my skills through training and contribute to the bank's expansion. Employers like candidates with a long-term vision. Avoid saying you'll switch careers or start your own business soon. Show loyalty, learning spirit, and alignment with the organization's future. And that's a wrap on the top 25 banking interview questions and answers. Remember, preparation and confidence go hand in hand. Rehearse your responses, stay calm, and focus on showing your professionalism and passion for banking. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends preparing for interviews. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your upcoming banking career. You've got this.